what's going to happen here, she's going to drink as much as that gallon of milk as she can. Once she throws up, she gives it to me. And if I can drink the rest without throwing up, I win. Taylor, go. Dylan, you might want to move off the toilet. Where's she going to throw up at? I'm not cleaning it up, you are. Shut up. Oh, look at the milk drip from her chin.
You just fart again?
Look at it leave the bottom in her mouth. Come on, slut. Drink it. You're terrible. Your dad's gonna kill us for drinking a whole thing of milk in one night. She does suck. Wow, that's like terrible. Look at the camera, Taylor.
You barely drank anything.
Taylor, really?
Okay.
Are you already giving up? I have to drink the whole thing of that, the whole rest of that gallon. Are you gonna puke, Dylan? You have to say it really loud so they can hear you. Are you puking? Is she puking?
Instead of going for the fucking toilet, she goes for the shower.
Oh my god. Are you guys watching me puke? I'm puking a straight milk. That is sick! Oh, that is sick! That is sick, bro! Oh, God! Oh, I can't watch!
No, that's fine.
You're puking too! They're all puking!
Holy Holy shit.
There's just no cause. Oh God, Taylor, that is sick! Did I not stop before I threw up?
I think I'm done.
It's all over the wall.
Okay, now I'm done. That's it. I think I threw it everywhere. I threw it everywhere.
I can't freaking watch any of that. Oh my God, that smell. Oh, that is sick.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna miss my kid. Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Oh my God, that is so. I'm leaving. I'm stopping the camera. I'm gonna start throwing up.